Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to connect STONFI to TonWallet. Alright, so let's quickly go straight to how it works. We didn't want this video to be long. Alright, first of all, you go to the Play Store. Okay, you search for TonWallet. Alright, TonWallet, and then here is it. As notice, we have two types, my tone and ToneKeeper. They are all doing the same work. They all do the same work. Okay, preferably I like using ToneKeeper. You click on ToneKeeper, download, install, and then go straight to your app list. All right, as you can see on my app list is number one. All right, we'll go straight to it, and then what's next? You go on the browser, click on the browser and search address. Okay, you search address. So what just do is STONFI, stone.fi, search for stone.fi, click on it, and it will refer you directly to the main page where you could connect. All right, as you can see, it appears connect wallet. So I wouldn't want to go directly here, so all you need to do is on the top icon you see something like connect wallet. Click on connect wallet and then authorize it. Once you authorize it, your thumbprint or your pin, it's connected. All right, you see somewhere they write stone.fi and you see something like UQAY, right? That's the wallet. It's already connected. So the next to do is, you see we already have our stone here, so you can use STONFI as a means of swapping tokens. Okay, you swap tokens. You can swap from Ton to STONFI, from STONFI to hot tokens, and all other tokens using STONFI. All right, so let me see. Okay, I don't have anything here, but then let's say I will want to buy one stone. So just go straight like maybe 5, say 1.0. Okay, you can see 1.05 will give us 7. Okay, it will give us 1.99. all right, which is equivalent to $7.76, and then you can see they charge nothing less than 0.08% fee for every transaction, guys. So I mean, this is so easy and then user friendly. And then with this you can also swap other tokens, and then I'll be talking about other futures like farming, staking, and more. And stay tuned to my upcoming videos where I'll be talking about more of futures affiliated with STONFI. See you on my next video.